show are all the possibilities. Never knowing what you find underneath the tree. So much we take for granted. What about the less advantage? Let's not forget what Christmas means. All the boys and girls on Christmas with no toys allowed to share. All the hearts with empty wishes, and there's no one there to care. To everyone who's ever dared to dream, I would give you my own Christmas filled with hope and family. All the love you've ever wished for, put it underneath the tree. When you wake up in the morning, then you'll see that's what Christmas, that's what Christmas, that's what Christmas means to me. Listen to the children laughing, excitement in the air. Oh, the sound of the carols echo everywhere. And as the night is falling, we're waiting up for Santa Claus, knowing that tomorrow is the greatest day of all. So much we take for granted. What about the less advantage? Let's not forget what Christmas means. All the boys and girls